Instagram account disabled on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just go and open your settings of your phone. And on settings of your phone, what you cannot do right now, just you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will find all the application on your phone. You will go to Instagram, and on Instagram here you will go directly to storage, and on storage you will go to the bottom of the screen and you will click clear data and click OK. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.